Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to lock on or camera track on CapCut. Now let's begin. Let's open the app on our mobile device. Now simply create a new project. I have a video I want to add. Select the video and select on add. Now here's the video on my timeline. Let us simply click on the video. Now on the bottom of the screen, if we scroll to the right, we will find something like camera tracking. Previously it was known as lock on, but now it's camera tracking. Simply click on it. Now again select camera tracking. Now there are a few methods to track a subject, that is using a face, body, hands, or your custom. I am selecting custom and increasing its size as per my necessity. And simply select on track. And a pop-up will open like this. It will give us different options whether we want to fit it in the canvas. You can click on it. Or you can lock the object size if you wish. Let's simply play the video. That's it for the video guys. That's how you use the lock on feature on CapCut. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.